Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Natara, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning for another video, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for coming back for another episode of All Things Deep Clean. So you guys, today I'm going to be in my master bedroom. I'm going to do all the things in here. I'm going to get my bed linens clean. I'm also going to be cleaning the baseboards. I'm going to go in my closet and straighten that up. I'm not going to do anything extravagant in there. And also, you guys, I'm going to be using one of my handy dandy mops that I had put back in the closet that I had stopped using for a while. So I'm going to bring her back out today and use her in my room on the floor. And also, I'm going to be cleaning this fan. This fan hasn't been cleaned in a long time. And you can see that by the dust bunnies that's falling off on the mattress. But yeah, you guys, that's what I'm going to be doing in my room. And also, I'm going to be showing you guys what I use to clean the room when I use it. So let's get right on into this video, you guys. Before you leave, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also share my channel with your family and your friends. And make sure that you're subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I post a video. And until next time, you guys, I will see you Sunday for series 4. Bye, guys.
And I'm missing you, but I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me? Oh, but kinda new way. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be, yeah. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me? Oh, but kinda new way. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Love me like yesterday. Yesterday.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I I will always remember it. How you turned everything around. I will always remember it. How you got me off the battleground.